special ang greetings ko sa'yo. Ginawa ko pa to para sa'yo. Because it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your birthday. Kailangan mag-stay to sa Friendster mo forever. Charing. Hanggang mayroong Friendster. Dapat hindi mo i-erase. Kasi ang ganda ko, di naman. Chika lang. Sige na. Happy birthday. Billy, so-called Billy, or Maria Elena, or Ayeng, sobrang dami ng pangalan, dinaig mo pa, ang terorista. Sige, happy birthday. Bye-bye. Ciao!